In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a voice in ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, the process begins by logging into your dashboard. So, head over to the ElevenLabs website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel, and the option we want is labeled Voices. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on Voices, you'll be directed to a new area of the dashboard. At the top of this page, you'll see several tabs. Look for one that says My Voices. This is where all your custom voices are stored. Click on the My Voices tab to open up your personal library of voices, and you should see a list of all the voices you've created or imported. Now, as you scroll through your list of voices, find the specific one that you want to delete. It's important to pinpoint the right voice, as this action is permanent. Once you've identified the voice you want to remove, look towards the right side of its entry. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is your action menu. Click on those dots to open it up. As you hover over those dots, a drop-down menu will appear. You're looking for an option that says Delete Voice. Click on that. This action will prompt a warning message asking you to confirm that you really want to delete this voice. Always take a moment to read the prompt carefully, ensuring it's the right voice you're deleting. Once you're ready to proceed, go ahead and confirm the prompt. This step is crucial because it will permanently remove the voice from your account, and there's no way to retrieve it later. After confirming, you should see a brief notification confirming that the voice has been successfully deleted. And that's it. You've just learned how to delete a voice in ElevenLabs. I know it might seem like a small task, but understanding how to manage your voices effectively can really streamline your work and help keep your projects organized. If you have any questions or if you encountered any issues during the process, feel free to drop a comment down below. I'm here to help. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing.